2 hours to unfold everything and then start screwing everything together. Having this thing available right now within a day is insane to me. As a contractor, this would take months and months and cost far more money. I purchased this property in hopes to get a BOXABL in time, which I did within a month of ordering, and it took me about 2 months to get the permits. That was the whole kind of point to doing it myself and owning this one, is to test it out on myself before I test it out on clients. This way I'm fully confident in my abilities and my team's abilities to install these for clients.
How would you rate the unboxing experience today?
5 out of 5, great. The team was awesome, no complications, everything went really smooth. Super important to have a level slab and to have all the tools and the equipment handy to make this process go smooth.